Hi, good morning. It's about 8 in the morning, Thursday, and I'm here in the parking lot waiting for my dad. He has blood work today. And while waiting here, might as well make a video on Tagalog tutorials. And this morning, we're going to learn few words, and that's how to say morning, noon, afternoon, evening, and dawn. And to start, we're going to learn how to say morning. To say morning, that's umaga. 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 And noon would be tanghali. 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 And afternoon is hapon. 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 Evening is gabi. Gabi. With the word gabi, be careful on how you say it because it means like it's the way how you pronounce it. So if you say gabi, that's evening. But if you say Gabi, Gabi, that's the taro plant. We call the taro plant Gabi. And evening is Gabi. Gabi. And we have dawn. Dawn is Madaling-araw. Madaling-araw. And those are the few words for today. You could find them down below on the About section, and we're going to do a quick review before I say bye-bye. We have morning, that's umaga. Umaga. And we have noon, which is tanghali. Tanghali. And afternoon is hapon. Hapon. Evening is gabi. Gabi. And last word is dawn, which is madaling-araw. Madaling-araw. That's it. Until the next video, I think on the next video, we're going to learn greetings such as good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Bye-bye.